In Turkey, some people think that instead of slaughtering animal in Hajj or during Eid, they prefer to give money or to feed the poor people instead of slaughtering animal. Instead of slaughtering animal.
No, this is
what can we say to them?
Not fair. They can feed the poor, of course, but it does not replace slaughtering. It's an act of goodness on its own, right?